It's IKNOWLEE. Kenvi made that song up for me. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and yes, I am coming back with these flat twists because we're going to get into this style. I did let these flat twists sit in my head for maybe about almost 2 days because they weren't dry. And I didn't see any point in taking them down. So before I take them down, I'm actually going to spray a bit of Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy on there, which is basically just kind of like a light finishing oil. This will help out with frizz. And honestly, it's just a lot easier because it's in a spray bottle. And it also adds a bit of shine or whatever. So yeah, I'm working that in. And then we're going to take these flat twists down. This is a pretty easy style. I know these flat twists are going to be defined. Y'all see that? Do you see it? Yes. Alright, first off, let's just say curls are popping. And this could easily be a style. The next thing is gold bobby pins. I have some gold and some bronze ones, but I'm going to go ahead and use some of my gold ones to complete this particular style. Grab a brush. This is optional, but this is my preference. And some edge control. This one is by As I Am, their Long and Luxe collection. You guys know that I love this one and the one by Canon too. Both of these are pretty affordable. Of course, this one is going to be a little bit more expensive, but they both just work really well, so it don't even matter. My Canon one is in the bathroom. That's why I'm not using it today. So we're going to put a bit on the edges. And if you notice, when I actually set the style, I set it so that it already had the part. That was just going to make it a little bit easier to me. Sometimes when I set my styles, I will actually keep in mind the end result to make it easier on myself. Because I don't be having time for that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? And then I'm going to put a little bit on the edges over here. Oh, Lord, help her. All right, now take this brush and we're gonna brush this in. I might even be a little extra today, you know, I just might. But make sure you brush it in. You really don't want like that cast that sometimes edge control can give if you don't properly brush it in. And another good way is to actually use a rat tail comb and kind of comb it through. But it gives it a bit more of a realistic look. I can show you. Hold that thought. You ain't weird if your rat tail comb ain't missing teeth. I'm just saying. Look at that. Alright. Now we're going to take this section. It's all smooth or whatever. If it's not, you know. I'm just running a rat tail comb on the side. And we're literally just going to go ham. So I'm going to do them straight back. Right now they're farther apart, but that's just because I want to get the style set in place. And then once the style is actually set in place, we're going to start filling in those gaps. Now we have to actually go in and style the rest of it, which means that we're going to do a lot of fluffing. If your hair is longer, like this will already be like full and pretty much ready to go. But I don't have that luxury, so we got to make it pop. Grab your pick. This one is from Sally's. You guys always ask me about this purple glittery pick. Sally's. It's like $2. And then we're just going to go to work. My back is so much longer than it wants to be. And I be trying to tell you, you're going to have to come through and be gray like the rest of my hair. Look, look. After this, you're just playing with it, separating the curls, kind of shaping it to your liking. And now we have come through. That is it, loves. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It's literally perfect for just about any kind of upscale event. But I love like little quick simple styles like this where you can really jazz up a look. And then even with my hair being short, you know, you have to kind of be creative when it comes to this so that you can get different looks out of this awkward cut and make it look different than what it would normally look. So guys, let me know what you think. I also want to know in the comments what other natural hairstyles do you guys want to see me do on short hair, because I'm here for it. I am ready, sis. Have a great day. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, because I know you are already subscribed. That's not even a question. You already hit the subscribe button. You should have did it at the beginning of the video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and join us. I have new videos weekly, okay? Weekly, every single week. So make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.